Now we will talk about the locus of points equidistant from two lines. Actually, this is an angle bisector of the angle created by those two lines. For example, here you are said that find the locus of all points which are equidistant from the lines BC and AB. You can see here two straight lines AB and BC, and they create an angle ABC. We are asked to find the locus of all the points which are equidistant from both the line AB and BC. So what should we do now? We should draw an angle bisector of the angle ABC. How to draw an angle bisector? We will place our compass here and we will draw an arc intersecting both BC and AB. From this point of intersection, we will draw another arc ahead. From this point of intersection, we will draw another arc on the first arc so that they intersect at a point. Let this point is D. Now put your ruler this way and draw a straight line connecting B and D. This straight line BD is the locus of the points which are equidistant from the line AB and the line BC. That means any points on the line BD has the same distance from the line AB and the line BC. Now question number 2 asks you that find the locus of all points which are nearer to AB than BC. In this case, what should we do? First of all, we need to draw the locus of all points which are equidistant from AB and BC. That means we need to draw the angle bisector of the angle ABC. We got our locus of the points which are equidistant from AB and BC, which is BD. Now what should we do to satisfy question number 2? We need to find the locus of all points which are nearer to AB than BC. That means if we think this point is nearer to AB and this is far from BC. So we will shade this region, that side of BD which is nearer to AB. This shaded region is our desired location. All points in this region is nearer to AB than BC. Now what will happen if the two straight lines do not intersect? For example, you can see a case here that AB and CD. You are asked that you need to find the locus of all points which are equidistant from the lines AB and CD, but these two lines do not intersect. So how can we draw the angle bisector, or what can we do now? The thing is very simple. We will extend these two lines until they intersect. We extended CD and AB so that they intersect at the point E. We extended CD and AB so that they intersect at E. Now we will follow the procedure that we have applied before. This EF is the locus of all points which are equidistant from the lines AB and CD.